Earnings up, stock down? What gives? Ever see a stock plunge after a stellar earnings report? It's enough to make your head spin. We've all been there. You see the headlines, record profits, sales skyrocket, and you think, this is it, time to buy. But then, bam, the stock tanks. What gives? Sometimes the market works in mysterious ways. Short-term traders might be taking profits. Macroeconomic factors could be spooking investors. Or maybe, just maybe, the stock is simply taking a breather after a massive run-up. Whatever the reason, these dips can create incredible buying opportunities for those who know where to look. Today we're diving into one such company that's been making waves, Nvidia. This tech titan just posted jaw-dropping earnings, yet the stock took a hit. Is this a cause for concern, or the buying opportunity of a lifetime? First, a quick recap for those who haven't been glued to their trading screens. Nvidia is a giant in the world of graphics processing units, or GPUs. You know, the things that make your games look amazing and power those cool AI applications everyone's talking about. Recently, Nvidia absolutely crushed earnings expectations. We're talking record revenue, booming profits, the whole 9 yards. But here's the kicker. The stock dipped. It's like finding a $100 bill on the sidewalk and then tripping and spilling your coffee. Don't panic just yet. This kind of volatility isn't unusual, especially for high-growth companies like Nvidia. There's a lot more to the story, and that's what we're here to uncover. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the wild world of Nvidia and whether this dip is a chance to buy or a sign to stay away. Let's talk numbers, folks. Numbers that are not just impressive but mind-blowing. We're diving into the kind of growth that makes headlines and turns heads in boardrooms across the globe. Nvidia's recent sales growth wasn't just impressive, it was downright explosive. We're talking about a surge that has left competitors scrambling to catch up and analysts re-evaluating their forecasts. We're talking a whopping 122% year-over-year increase. That's not just a number, it's a statement. A statement that Nvidia is not just in the game, but is leading it. To put that in perspective, imagine your favorite pizza place suddenly selling twice as many pizzas every single day. The ovens are working overtime, the staff is bustling, and the customers are lining up out the door. That's the kind of demand surge Nvidia is experiencing. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about what those numbers represent. They signify a shift, a transformation in how technology is being integrated into our daily lives. What's driving this phenomenal growth? 2 words: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's changing everything. From the way we drive to the way we diagnose diseases, AI is at the forefront of innovation. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries left and right. Imagine a world where surgeries are performed with robotic precision, where your car drives you to work, and where your devices understand and anticipate your needs. And guess what powers all that AI magic? You got it, Nvidia's powerful GPUs. These aren't just any processors, they're the engines driving the AI revolution, providing the computational power needed to make these incredible advancements possible. This isn't just a flash in the pan either. This growth is sustainable, built on a foundation of cutting-edge technology and relentless innovation. Nvidia is not just riding a wave, they're creating it. The demand for AI is only going to increase in the coming years. As more industries discover the potential of AI, the need for powerful GPUs will skyrocket. We're on the brink of an AI-driven future, and Nvidia is poised to lead the charge. As businesses and researchers continue to unlock the potential of AI, they'll need more and more processing power. The applications are endless, from predictive analytics to real-time data processing, and Nvidia's technology is at the heart of it all. And that's where Nvidia comes in, ready to supply the fuel for the AI revolution. Their GPUs are not just products, they're the backbone of a new era in technology, enabling breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. So, yeah, those sales numbers, they're not a fluke. They're a testament to Nvidia's vision, strategy, and execution. A sign that the company is not just keeping up with the times, but is ahead of them. They're a sign of things to come. The future is bright, and Nvidia is lighting the way. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of an incredible journey. Section 4, Short-Term Hiccups. Why did Nvidia dip? Okay, so sales are through the roof. The company is firing on all cylinders. Why on earth did the stock dip? Well, even the best companies aren't immune to short-term market jitters. Sometimes investors get spooked by things that have nothing to do with the company itself. Maybe interest rates ticked up, or there's some geopolitical uncertainty. Or as we mentioned before, maybe some traders decided to cash out after the stock's incredible run-up, leading to a temporary dip. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. There are going to be ups and downs, twists and turns. Don't get too caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations. Instead, focus on the bigger picture. And for Nvidia, that picture is looking pretty darn good. Section 5. The king of AI, Nvidia's dominance. Let's talk about Nvidia's market position for a minute. This company has not only carved out a niche for itself, but has also become synonymous with cutting-edge technology and innovation. This isn't just any tech company. This is the undisputed king of AI. Nvidia's GPUs are the backbone of modern artificial intelligence, driving advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. When it comes to the specialized processors needed for artificial intelligence, Nvidia is miles ahead of the competition. Their GPUs are designed to handle the massive computational demands of AI workloads, making them indispensable in this field. Think of it like this: Nvidia is to AI what Intel was to PCs. Just as Intel's processors were the driving force behind the personal computer revolution, Nvidia's GPUs are the driving force behind the AI revolution. They practically invented the game. From their early days of pioneering graphics processing to their current status as the leader in AI hardware, Nvidia has always been at the forefront of technological innovation. Their GPUs are the gold standard, and everyone who's anyone in the AI world relies on them. Whether it's for training complex neural networks or running sophisticated AI algorithms, Nvidia's hardware is the go-to choice. From tech giants like Google and Microsoft to countless startups and research labs, Nvidia's chips are powering the AI revolution. These companies depend on Nvidia's technology to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI. This dominance didn't happen overnight. It is the culmination of decades of relentless innovation, strategic planning, and a commitment to staying ahead of the curve. It's the result of years of innovation, strategic acquisitions, and a laser-like focus on the future of computing. Nvidia has consistently invested in research and development, ensuring that they remain at the cutting edge of technology. And that's why, even with the recent dip, Nvidia remains the go-to choice for anyone serious about AI. Their stock may fluctuate, but their position as the leader in AI technology is unshakable. Investors and tech enthusiasts alike recognize the long-term potential of Nvidia's innovations. The company's vision for the future is clear, and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI is unwavering. As they continue to innovate and expand their capabilities, Nvidia's dominance in the AI sector is set to grow even stronger. So, whether you're an investor looking for the next big thing or a tech enthusiast excited about the future of AI, keep an eye on Nvidia. Their journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come. Section 6. Pricey stock, justified value. Now let's address the elephant in the room, Nvidia's stock price. It's a topic that has been on the minds of many investors and analysts alike. The stock has seen a meteoric rise, capturing the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers to the market. There's no denying it's high. The numbers are staggering, and for some it might even be a bit intimidating. But let's take a closer look at what this high price really means. In fact, some might even say it's nosebleed territory. The rapid ascent of Nvidia's stock price has left many wondering if it's sustainable or if we're looking at a bubble that's about to burst. But here's the thing about valuation. It's all relative. The price of a stock is not just a number. It's a reflection of the company's potential, its market position, and the value it brings to its shareholders. You can't just look at the price tag in isolation. It's essential to understand the broader context, the market dynamics, and the future prospects of the company. You have to consider what you're getting in return. With Nvidia, you're not just buying a stock, you're investing in a vision, a future where AI and advanced computing play a pivotal role in shaping our world. And with Nvidia, you're getting a piece of the company that's leading the charge in one of the most transformative technologies of our time. Think about it. This is a company that has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, driving innovation in AI, gaming, and data centers. When was the last time you had a chance to invest in the early days of something as revolutionary as the internet or the smartphone? These were technologies that changed the world, and those who recognized their potential early on reaped significant rewards. That's the kind of opportunity we're talking about with AI. It's not just a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift that's set to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment, and Nvidia is at the forefront. The company's advancements in AI technology are not just impressive, they're groundbreaking. Their GPUs are the backbone of many AI applications, powering everything from autonomous vehicles to advanced medical diagnostics. So yes, the stock might seem expensive at first glance, but when you dig deeper, you realize that the price reflects the immense potential and the groundbreaking work that Nvidia is doing. But if you believe in the future of AI, then Nvidia's valuation might just be justified. It's not just about the present value, it's about the future potential. Investing in Nvidia is investing in a future where AI drives progress and innovation. So, while the price tag might be high, the value it represents could be even higher.